So hey guys, welcome back to my channel JNTUH Explainer. In our previous 3 videos, I explained what do we mean by CCIDF and we discussed the different types of topics in Unit 1, Foundations of Digital Forensics. So till now we covered your topic number 1, Digital Evidence, topic number 2, Principles of Digital Forensics, topic number 3, Challenging Aspects of Digital Evidence. Now in the video number 4 and topic number 4, we'll be discussing on the role of computers in crime. So if you want my handwritten notes, you can directly comment on yes in the comment section, and I'll be sharing you the link of my handwritten notes PDF. Let's get into the video. Role of computers in crime. Definition: the role of computers in crime refers to how computers are used either to commit crimes or as tools to support criminal activities. Either what I'm trying to explain here is computer is a device for common people like you and me, but for an attacker it is a tool which it is a tool, and for the victim he is choosing, he is a target. So computer plays a role of two different things at a time, which is either a tool or a target. Major role of this role of computers is computer as a tool. We are reading the one side of a coin now. So it's used to perform the crime. Example: online fraud, sending phishing emails, etc. Here, if suppose I am an hacker, I am using the computer as a tool now to target someone. And in the second one, now we are reading the other side of a coin, which is computer as a target itself is attack. What I'm trying to explain is, if I am, suppose again I am an hacker, and now using my computer as a tool, I am targeting some other person's computer, then the computer of that other person becomes a target, because it is a cyber crime. If I am a criminal, what I'll be doing is, if I target someone, then that person becomes a target, not his computer, because then my work is to harm that person. So third one is computer as storage of evidence. Computers store important data related to crime, for example emails, chat messages. See, computers are also used to store the evidence. For example, the cyber cell people, they also use computers, but the role of computer is to store the evidence. All right. Fourth one is computers as a communication medium. Criminals use computers to communicate. Example: social media, messaging apps, etc. If I am a hacker who want to interact or approach my target, there again I have to use computer, which again plays the role of it plays the role of mediator between me and the target. And in the fifth one, it's again computer in financial crimes. See, computer is used in online money related crimes, for example online banking fraud, credit card scams, etc. So you cannot carry your phone to complete these types of tasks through mobile. So here again you need a computer, and here computer plays a role of attacking someone through sending him financial loss. For example, online banking fraud or credit card scams. All right. Then in real life example, imagine a person commits an online scam, uses a laptop computer to create a fake website, then sends emails to people asking for bank details, collects money through online transfers. Here, computer is a tool to commit crime, like a criminal uses knife to commit a murder. It also stores evidence like emails and transactions. So let's try to understand this. Imagine a person commits an online scam, uses a laptop computer to create a fake website, sends email to people asking for bank details. For example, he has his own email, but he changed that to .gov. Here it makes the common people trust that email, and they click that email, where he gets successfully does phishing scam. Then after that, if he trust that email and he sends money, then again it's come under financial scam. Then through one arrow he's attacking two different types of what do we say, attacks, which is phishing scam and financial scam. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe, because till now I couldn't complete my 500 subscribers. And if you want the link of my handwritten notes, just comment on yes, and I will be sharing my handwritten notes with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.